In today's digital world, trust can no longer be established with a handshake or a paper-based signature. Technology innovations are redefining how organizations formally connect with one another. The world's economies must now modernize the technologies we use to establish trust. This can only be realized through a digitized system of business identity verification that is used globally. The vLEI, managed by the nonprofit organization GLEIF, is already a recognized and universally trusted form of business identification. Through the introduction of the Verifiable vLEI, also known as vLEI, we are bringing these benefits to the digital economy.
The vLEI is recognized as a trusted open system for legal entity identification. Having a trusted way of exchanging data is imperative to any kind of business transaction. The vLEI is the building block that provides identification, authentication, and authenticity to the data that is exchanged among parties.
The pharmaceutical industry is showing an early example of vLEI. As a fully digitized vLEI service, it is bringing innovation significantly forward. PharmaLedger is a project that brings together 12 global pharmaceutical companies and 17 public and private entities. The purpose is to create a widely trusted platform that supports the design and adoption of blockchain-enabled healthcare solutions. Here, the vLEI is being used to confirm the authenticity of participants on the platform.
Situation that we have today is that usually onboarding new trading partners takes time. It takes a long process to verify different bank accounts or locations, addresses, individuals, and this is a process that can take days or even weeks to do. And so we see that in the future, when we want to do things more real time, more efficiently, that the vLEI would give us the opportunity to basically create these trading relationships almost instantaneously.
This matters because the platform is used, among other things, to share sensitive, regulated information between suppliers and patients. Verifying partners digitally and automatically allows the platform to scale quickly without sacrificing trust and transparency. It also hardwires trust into the supply chain, enabling partners to collaborate with confidence.
We need to identify companies and we have to be able to verify them so that we are sure that Novartis is Novartis and not someone else. So that's why we need verifiable credentials. This is the foundation for every use case.
The idea is that there's a common platform or a digital trust ecosystem that enables the realization of these value-adding applications on top. And each one of these domains, supply chain, clinical trials, health data, all require trusted identity of the different organizations, of the individuals, sometimes of the products, or even devices in the case of IoT. But clearly, it all starts with the trusted organizations, and that's where the vLEI makes the most sense.
The cross-industry vLEI development program continues to evolve. GLEIF invites further engagement from parties in pharmaceutical, healthcare, telecom, transportation, and financial services sectors. They can explore opportunities for vLEI use in future applications, services, and business models.
It's important to recognize that this is an ecosystem, so it's not GLEIF doing all the work. A central approach, in our opinion, would not work. On the contrary, we establish a network of vLEI issuers who then work together with the legal entities on this planet to make the vLEI system work. GLEIF's role is to run the governance structure, the compliance function, and also quality function to secure the integrity of the system.
The first vLEI implementations demonstrate the scope for innovation and opportunity enabled by this exciting new technology. The global vLEI system is unique in its capacity to provide regulated and standardized global identities for legal entities everywhere. By extending the system for use across the digital economy, GLEIF is unlocking the power of the vLEI for all industry sectors to help them benefit from digital transformation.